everyone, welcome to Virtual Spiritual Saturday. Today, lunch together we will cook something we call Malaysian national food. So, you might guess now what is it? Yes, we will cook Nasi Lemak, or we call coconut milk rice. In Malaysia, most from kids to senior citizen, either you are Malay, Chinese, Indian, or other races, or you have eaten Nasi Lemak before. So, of course, Nasi Lemak is the basic things will be the coconut milk, chili, or the sambal, chili, and rice. And the basic one, we will have some cucumber and egg. So of course, for luxurious version, we might have rendang or some curry, either vegetable or some meat curry. Some people will have, or some ikan bilis. Some will have some cabbage, fried cabbage, or Chinese cabbage, or another cabbage from the Cameroon one. So, but however, for Nasi Lemak we have some variations. You have Chinese style, Indian style, or Malay style. For me today, I cook the recipe is from my mother's. My mother's always cook Nasi Lemak for us since I was young as breakfast. So after I move out from my house, from my kampong, my mother will still cook Nasi Lemak for us, but because we are away from home, so she will cook, and then she will cook a lot. So she will keep inside a bottle like this, and then for us to keep in fridge. Sometimes even keep in freezer, so you can eat anytime you want to eat Nasi Lemak. There's no problem. Even though during MCO, you don't need to queue up and then end up disturbed or arrested by police. So you can have your own home cooking Nasi Lemak. Of course, today I will cook Nasi Lemak not because of the news. Actually, I myself like Nasi Lemak a lot. So last time I stay in PJ, or now I stay in Bentong. Almost every store of Nasi Lemak morning, when they sell Nasi Lemak as breakfast, I will go and try. I definitely will go and buy and then taste. For me, Nasi Lemak, everybody have their preference. But for me, really important is if the Nasi Lemak is wrapped with banana leaf, I definitely will buy. Because for me, the Nasi Lemak, the fragrance of Nasi Lemak not only come from the coconut milk. It's when the nasi is really hot, and then you wrap with banana leaf. So the fragrance is more than, it mixed with the banana leaf and the coconut milk and the rice. And when you eat it hot with the sambal, I tell you it's delicious. So that's why many people like Nasi Lemak, even though you are not Malaysian. So today I will share with you some of the recipe my mother cook. It's a very simple one. And okay, this chili bowl is we call chili base. You can buy any brand from a supermarket. This is not, we cannot call a pure chili base, because some of the manufacturer will add in some young papaya inside. So because chili is expensive. So if you want to make those very spicy pure chili one, you can buy some dry chilies, soak in the hot water, and you use your blender to blend it. You can use that way, but for me, this one is an easy version lah. You can use this one. So for chili, but we will cook chili, cook our telur first. Okay, and before you cook the rice. Normally, my hard boiled egg will be not so hard boiled. So I will cook for around 8 minutes, and then rest it for around 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on how big your egg is. And after that, you soak in cold water. Because when you soak in cold water, it will be easy to peel off the shell. And then of course our nasi lemak will go with some peanut. For peanut, my mother's version of peanut will be, he will fry the peanut with the garam kasar, this kind of salt. So the peanut will have some salt inside, and then is another taste. So I like it. So because this one is okay, this one is a vegetarian ikan bilis. You can buy from any vegetarian shop or grocery shop, or some supermarket also have. So you can try this one as well. Okay, we'll start with cooking rice. I have pre-cooked the rice, but I will show you how what you need. So if you cook 1 cup, I cook for 1 cup can 2 cup can for 3 person. So if you cook 2 cup, and then you will have 1 cup of coconut milk. Of course, because I can't get a fresh one, I will always opt for the fresh one. Now cannot go to the wet market and wait for the fresh one. No mind, we just have this one, this packet one. So 2 cup of rice will go with 1 cup of coconut milk and 2 cup of water. It depends on what rice. Some basmati rice you can use also, and my one is I just use a normal rice, not those fragrant rice. Or you can use, some people will use brown rice. Or some of the organic shop or some of the restaurant, they will use red rice. So it depends. It depends on what rice is your preference. Okay, we see who is online now, and okay. Hello, I saw Ben Kui, Cindy and Alice. Hi, today we are cooking Nasi Lemak. So Ben Kui is asking if I don't have vegetarian ikan bilis, what alternative can? Normally I just don't take vegetarian ikan bilis, but I will add in tofu. So you can, especially the fresh tofu, you put some salt on it, marinate, and you still fry it. I tell you that it will be very nice, and then a good source of protein. Oh, Alice said this is one of her favorite foods. Okay, Cindy said, oh, it's nice tip about the banana leaf. Okay, triangle nasi lemak is definitely nicer. Yeah, of course. So you normally, for me lah, even though I go to some of the restaurant, you eat nasi lemak, you feel you lack of something when it's not wrapped with nasi lemak, and it's not wrapped with banana leaf. So I just like the banana leaf fragrance. I think some people may share the same experience as me, same preference as me. So now after we talk about the rice, you can cook the rice. It's for brown rice. You don't cook it immediately. You have the water, you measure. As usual, you cook your rice for your white rice. For your brown rice for your meal, and you add in coconut milk. But you rest the brown rice for 15 to 20 minutes before you put in the cooker. Rice cooker. So the brown rice will be soaked inside the water, and then when it takes time for the rice cooker to cook, so from inside out the rice will be cooked, will be completely cooked. If you put immediately for brown rice, if you cook only for the after layer, but inside is not cooked, so it's not nice. So that's why many people don't like brown rice. But some people can't take white rice, so brown rice will be a good option, or basmati rice. Basmati rice actually go really good with lemak, so you can try that one as well. And some people opt for healthy version of nasi lemak. They will use organic coconut oil instead of this coconut milk. Last time I used to have of course it's when I was young. Every morning my breakfast will be nasi lemak. So after that, yeah, I realized I'm no more young. Okay, so I now only take maybe once a week or two times per month only. I take nasi lemak from the store, the roadside store, my favorite. Okay? And after we talk about the rice, okay, we can cook the sambal. The sambal, my one is very simple. Okay, oh yeah, forget about the rice. The rice you need to put the pandan. Okay, how you make the pandan is you can tie the pandan. Then you open this like this. And then you put inside the rice cooker together with your rice, your water, and your coconut milk. Some people like to put some ginger, so you can slice some ginger and put inside. Some people also put some lemon grass, but I didn't put. And one thing very important when you cook nasi lemak, don't forget about the garam. You have to put some, maybe half teaspoon. It depends, and you can taste before you cook it. So it depends on your how strong your taste is. You like it, but must put this one. Or no, it's just lack of something. Okay, that is a nasi. So now we cook the sambal. Okay, let's see who is online now. Okay, Alice said normally my mom will slice the mushroom feet and fry it as ikan bilis. Oh, this is a good tips from Alice. Because Bengui just now asked if I can't buy a vegetarian ikan bilis, what can I do? So Alice provided share with us a very good tips that you can cut the mushroom, the root, cut it and then fry with still fry it. So it will the texture may be a bit different, but it will serve as vegetarian ikan bilis. Okay. Okay, thank you, Alice. So now we will cut some garlic, onion. Normally for sambal, because it take time to cook sambal, because you can't cook it in high heat, so you need to cook it in low and medium heat. And that's why normally I won't cook just a small bottle like this. If I have enough chili bowl, I will cook a few bottles and then keep. Or you want to share with your friend or give it to your sister or brother, will be good as well. So we'll slice the red onion. Why we use red onions in our sambal, nasi lemak sambal? Because red onion will give the sweetness of to your sambal. So normally for my mother, she won't slice it. She will use the blender to blend it so that her sambal will be you can't see the texture of onion at all. Okay, now we see. Okay, Fion asking, no pandan leaf can? Yes, if you don't have, it's okay. So you will opt for no pandan leaf version of nasi lemak. But pandan leaf is very easy to grow, even though in a pot. So you can grow the pandan leaf in your balcony or so you will have some pandan leaf. So normally when I buy pandan leaf, it can only keep for a few days and then it will dry out. So that is what one, you still can have it. You still can have the without pandan leaf version. Actually for sambal nasi lemak, you will require quite a lot of oil to cook. I forget one thing. You need some sugar also. Some nasi lemak sambal for me is I can tolerate the spiciness. You are spicy or not spicy, or salty or not salty. One thing people cook sambal is actually you can see from the color. They didn't cook enough time to pecah minyak everything, and you can feel they still sour taste in the chili, so it still feel very raw inside. Important thing is you must cook with quite a lot of onion and cook it quite long with low medium heat and with oil. Actually, if too less oil, nasi lemak is not tasty. Okay, maybe you will think, nasi lemak is not healthy. Yes, so don't eat too frequent like me every day. So you can cook or eat once a week or once a month. So we chop some garlic as well. Okay, now we put some oil inside the pot. Okay, then we put our onion and garlic inside. Okay, this induction cooker is convenient, but one thing is depends on the pot. So this pot is a big pot, so you need to low and medium heat. You cook until the onion is softened. That means you will get the sweetness of the onion. Of course, if nasi lemak serves as a food that you take during retreat, you need to avoid onion and this garlic. So you need to cook a vegetarian version, not vegetarian, retreat version. Totally no onion, no garlic. I never tried that before. And talking about nasi lemak, one thing I remember is since nasi lemak is so popular, and I remember a few years back, I went to Kuala Lumpur's Kechara soup kitchen. They serve nasi lemak to our homeless and distribute to some poor family as well. Because it's popular and then it's easy to prepare and it's widely accepted by people. So talking about Kechara soup kitchen, actually it's not it's about food, but it's not really about food as well. Because Rinpoche always, my guru Rinpoche always share that it's just a way that you approach those people who need your help. So they might have a psychology problem, or they might have some family issue, and you might need to help these people. Not that these people now is homeless or they are in difficult situation, not because they choose that. So many people have wrong views or bias that why you want to feed homeless. So you will attract more people to become, to go to the street and then do not want to work or become homeless. If you think it logically, you will become a homeless man or woman just because of a packet of Nasi Lemak. You will, right? But this is as an approach for Kechara Soup Kitchen, for Kechara, to approach to these people. Slowly we build up the relationship and trust from the homeless people, and then from there we help them. Either solve their, to give consultation and help them to slowly build, go back to the society. Because Kechara Soup Kitchen never with the purpose to feed homeless forever. This is just an approach, a platform, a way to approach to them and help them when they are able to go back to the society and then earn their living by themselves. I think that is the best way for them and for the society. And Kechara Soup Kitchen in this way actually help not only the homeless, the people, but the government as well. That is the approach. That's from Nasi Lemak, I think, of Kechara Soup Kitchen. So now we put some chili bowl. Okay, you might wonder why I buy a big packet. Okay, no, I'm not selling chili bowl in Bentong. Okay, it happened because I ordered a big packet of chili bowl. So my big packet is, the biggest packet I normally buy will be 500 grams. So who knows, when I order and then someone helped me to buy the shop, the biggest packet for the chili bowl is 3 kilos. So it ends up I have a big packet. So it's good. Maybe that's why I can share with you guys the cooking of Nasi Lemak. You can see when you first cook it, the sambal will be this color. Okay, you need to add on some water, at the same time some sugar. Even though onion has some sweetness inside, normally I will add in some sugar as well. If you want to lessen the sugar you are adding in, maybe you can use the way to blend the onion inside the blender and then you add in. Or no, if you add in too many onion, it will become not sambal chili, it will be too much onion. So you add on some water. Usually it requires quite a lot of oil, cooking oil in making sambal. Add in some sugar. You cook the sambal until it turns into the color will be turned deeper into a red color. When you cook chili sambal, for nasi lemak, don't be too stingy with the oil. Of course, you can use organic oil because if not enough oil, the sambal is not that nice. Let's see who is online now. Maybe some. Oh, talking about nasi lemak. It reminds me of Sharon Ong. If Sharon Ong, I think she will put some petai inside. She likes petai. So you can cook some petai. Actually, petai is very good for detox. Just nowadays, petai is not that cheap, so it's quite expensive. Hi Jessie and hi Sharon and Louise. Okay, who's that? Sharon. When we tie the pandan leaf, it releases the fragrance as the leaves are crushed a bit in the process of trying out, and it makes it easy to remove them later. You mean, Sharon, do you mean that you tumbuk a bit this? Yeah, maybe the fragrance will come out. Yeah, that is a good tips. Sharon is a very good cook. She is good in cooking Baba Nyonya food. Okay, Sharon say auto correct. That made the pandan leaf as panda leaf. Okay. Okay, so you can cook this one. It might require at least 25 to 30 minutes to cook. It depends how much sambal you need to cook. Of course, I will cook not only one small cup like this, because when you cook sambal, you need to, it will be very oily, and then you need to clean your stove and kitchen. So that's why, since you want to cook, clean it, so then you cook for quite some portion and then keep. So when you want to eat nasi lemak, you just take out your storage of sambal and then enjoy. That will be a good one lah. Especially for city people, they are busy. Of course, you can add in some like petai, you add in some other side dishes like vegetable curries or tofu. Okay, sambal. Okay, actually you can for the egg, actually you can fry it. When you fry it and then put inside the sambal. Okay, some of the restaurants they will have this kind of this dish. Or you fry the tofu and then you put inside. That's one way you can. So means that when you have prepare 1 cup of sambal chili. Today you cook nasi lemak. Next day maybe you cook tauhu, chili tauhu or chili sambal, tauhu sambal or telur sambal. So actually you can cook. You can be creative with the just 1 packet of chili bowl. Some people do not like watery, so then you won't add in too much water. If some people like it, then you can add in more water. You like the watery type of sambal. Actually, when you cook nasi lemak, just like you are having durian, actually your neighbor will know you are having nasi lemak today because the fragrance is quite strong. Okay, so I will show you and then you can cook and then you can taste it. When you taste it, see whether it is still have is soury or not. Yes, it's still. Then you might need to add in some sugar and then cook. Because when it tastes sour and you have the raw taste of chili, it means that it's not cooked yet. Okay, you need some patience in cooking sambal. You cannot on the stove to the high heat to cook it. You need to make it a low and medium heat to cook. Okay, I guess today you guys know the basic way to cook nasi lemak, and then I hope you know more about you are interested more about our Kechara soup kitchen as well, because food is not about food. Nasi lemak is not about nasi lemak. This is okay, I hope you will enjoy it, and I will share with you guys the cooked nasi lemak I prepared today. Ooh, we need to slice cucumber. And you need to have sambal. Peanut. This peanut butter actually is cooked by you can put in the oven to toast it, or you can fry it. This one is cooked by Pastor Chia. This one sponsored by Pastor Shin. Okay. Now we have our nasi lemak for today. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Okay, let me taste. It's quite spicy. I think it as lunch is good. So you still can do some exercise at home after you finish this high calorie of nasi lemak. Okay, thank you. See you again.